Annyeonghaseyo from Korea, and it's next Matchip in Busan this weekend for day 2 of our food tour. And we start off with gomtang for breakfast. This restaurant in particular is excellent because it's actually open at 8 o'clock in the morning. So it's open early. We went for a run together, me and my wife, and then celebrated our morning with this beautiful view of the ocean. And a cruise ship had come in the night, lit off a bunch of fireworks, and docked in the bay. Gomtang is full of meat, full of beef there that's been sort of slow cooked, and it's a great way to start the day. Very nutritious and a very traditional sort of Korean breakfast. A lot of meat in there, well worth it. And as I said, that's going to give us the energy we need because we've got a lot more eating to go. Now this might have been very traditional as I mentioned, but the next place is not, and that's Gordon Ramsay Burger. We're in the area, we thought we'd hit it up for lunch. Gordon Ramsay Burger, very popular in Korea, opening a lot of restaurants around the country, and look at that, the 1966 burger at $140. Of course we did not order that. Instead we got 2 different burgers here. I think that's one of the sort of the classic burger, Gordon Ramsay classic burger, and my wife got the jalapeno one, a little bit spicier. Both of them were excellent, great quality ingredients, and I recommend it for anyone that's interested in burgers. Can you get cheaper elsewhere? Absolutely, but will the quality be as good? Well, you have to just try it and see. After this we are walking around because coming up we have dinner, and dinner's a special one. This is the Grand Joseon, and the reason this is special, it is $100 per head, a very luxurious buffet restaurant located on the beachfront at Haeundae, and it has unlimited everything, right? So you've got lobster, anything you can see in the video, you can eat to your heart's content, and we did. So a lot of lobster, a lot of seafood, most of it locally sourced. The lamb, not so much, that's Australian lamb, but here are some sort of the premium almost sides. There's artichoke, you've got Thai beef salad. Coming up, you've actually got a smoked octopus dish, which was very delicious. But best of all is this one here, which is flounder and hallabong jelly. That is a very local specialty. Desserts were on point, all cakes and macaroons were all delicious, as well as anything else you can see. And I haven't even shown you half of the desserts that we had. That's just a quick taste. If you are interested, there is a full video of my experience at that restaurant. Now we ate a lot of food, but we've always got time for wine. So we finished up back at the hotel, got that wine, and enjoyed the rest of the evening. I highly recommend anyone visit Busan if they're in the area, especially if they're in Korea. It's a great place full of great food. As usual, if you're interested in Korean cooking or culture, hit the subscribe button and like the video. A lot more stuff like this coming up, as well as a new Korean recipe every week. So enjoy the rest of your day and eat well.